What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to solve logarithmic equation. First example I have is 7 to the power of x subtract 10 equals to 1, and we need to solve it for x. We know any number to the power of 0 is going to be 1. In this case, since the base here is 7, so I'm going to use 7 to the power of 0 is 1. So I'm going to say 7 to the power of x subtract 10 equals to 7 to the power of 0, which means that x minus 10 equals to 0, so x is going to be equal to 10. Next one, 2e to the power of 5x equals to 11. So I can say e to the power of 5x equals to 11 over 2, which is 5.5. Therefore, e to the power of 5x is 5.5. So I take ln for both sides. Ln e to the power of 5x is going to be 5x. And ln 5.5, I'm going to use the calculator. 5.5, let's say 1.7. So x will be 1.7 divided by 5, which is going to be 0.34. Next example, e to the power of x plus 7 subtract 10 equals to negative 42. So I'm going to say e to the power of x plus 7 equals to negative 42 plus 10, which is negative 32. So we have ln e to the power of x plus 7 equals to ln negative 32. So that's going to be x plus 7 equals to ln negative 32. But this is not possible because we have the negative number in here. So there is no answer in here. Next one. 2 times 10 to the power of 7x equals to 18. So I'm going to say 10 to the power of 7x equals to 18 over 2, which is going to be 9. Therefore, 10 to the power of 7x equals to 9. So log 10 to the power of 7x equals to log 9. So 7x will be equal to log 9. So x will be log 9 divided by 7. So we have log 9 divided by 7. That's going to be 0.136. Next one is going to be 7e to the power of 3x minus 1 plus 5 equals to 76. So we have 7e to the power of 3x minus 1 equals to 76 subtract 5, which is going to be 71. So e to the power of 3x minus 1 equals to 71 divided by 7. So 71 divided by 7 is going to be 10.14. Therefore, ln e to the power of 3x subtract 1 equals to ln 10.14. So we have 3x minus 1 equals to ln 10.14. 3x minus 1 is going to be 2.32. So 3x is going to be 2.32 plus 1. That's going to be 3.32. And x is going to be 3.32 divided by 3. And that's going to be 1.11. Next one is going to be 2 to the power of x plus 1 equals to 5 to the power of 2x plus 3. I can log from both sides. Log 2 to the power of x plus 1 equals to log 5 to the power of 2x plus 3. Then I can say x plus 1 times log 2. Because the exponent, you can make it as a coefficient. 2x plus 3 times log 5. So that's going to be log 2 is 0.3. So it's going to be 0.3 times x plus 1. And here log 5 is going to be 0.7. So when we do it, it's going to be 0.3x plus 0.3 equals to 1.4x plus 3.5. So we have 1.4x subtract 0.3x equals to 0.3 subtract 3.5, and we have negative 3.2 equals to 1.1x. So x is going to be negative 3.2 over 1.1. And when you calculate it, it's going to be negative 2.91. Next one is going to be e to the power of 2x subtract e to the power of x subtract 132 equals to 0. I'm going to say e to the power of x if I consider as m. So we have m squared minus m minus 132 equals to 0. So we have factoring m minus 12 times m plus 11. So we have two answers, m equals to 12 or negative 11. So obviously e to the power of x cannot be negative 11. So e to the power of x is going to be 12. So then ln ex equals to ln 12. So x is going to be equal to ln 12. So ln 12 is going to be 2.48. Next one, e to the power of 2x minus e to the power of x subtract 6 equals to 0. So if I consider m equals to e to the power of x, we have m squared minus m minus 6 equals to 0. So we have m subtract 3 times m plus 2 equals to 0. So m will be 3 and negative 2. So e to the power of x cannot be negative 2. So e to the power of x is going to be 3. So we have ln e to the power of x equals to ln 3. So then it's going to be x equals to ln 3. So ln 3 is going to be 1.1. Next example, 3 to the power of 2x plus 1 equals to 7 to the power of x subtract 2. I can say log 3 to the power of 2x plus 1 equals to log 7 to the power of x minus 2. So I can bring it here and make it as the coefficient. Log 3 equals to x subtract 2 times log 7. So 2x plus 1 times log 3. 0.477 x minus 1. We have log 7 equals to 0.845. So we have 2 times 0.477 equals to 0.954x plus 0.477. That's going to be 0.845x minus 1.69. So we have 0.954x minus 0.845x equals to negative 0.477 minus 1.69. 0.109x equals to negative 2.167. So x is going to be negative 2.167. It's going to be negative 19.88. This is going to be the value of x. So that's how we solve the logarithmic equations. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. You can have access to many other videos regarding logarithms and other topics in math, chemistry, and physics. I will leave some related videos and playlists in the description in case you need extra practice question. Thank you for watching and have a great day.